Hi everyone. Today I want to reply to comments because I don't have time to reply to comment in the YouTube. That's why today we're going to Georgi in Landers. So we're in Landers right now. First comment. Where are you from? Eastern Europe. Leon, me, was born in USSR, and my father from France, mother from Russia. So I have relatives in France and relatives in Russia and Ukraine also. Georgi is from Russia. But Georgi from western parts of Russia, near Ukraine. But me from far east of Russia. It's near Japan and Korea. And Shaira from Pampanga, but she is from another province. But her relatives from another province, not from Pampanga. Another comment about members. They asking why you have members, but we want to watch video, all video, like not only for members. I can explain about members. Members can watch video when I upload video. Every day we upload video, but YouTube moderator need to check video. So that's why sometimes video I re-edit, and I upload video to everyone only when YouTube moderator is approve. I don't know why people so sad about members. It's members. It's for who want to support us. I not say please go to members to sign members. Not need. Most of the video I upload later for public. Not members who want support us. Channel. It's Shaira's channel. She have money from YouTube, and the members also. If more members, Shaira take more money. So it's not for me. It's for Shaira. Shaira wants to support her family because her mother not working and father not working right now. That's why it's not for me. And I also want to explain you. In YouTube, have YouTube have premium without advertising. Of course, it's not for free. For example, Georgi pay every month for YouTube premium and he watch YouTube without any advertising. It's not for free. Same here have in our channel. Who wants support? Who don't want? Not problem. You can watch all the video when YouTube moderator is approved. So it's not problem. So I'm not asking to do members. Another comment. Gio is our regular subscriber long time. He said sometimes you cannot trust kids in the near walking street. Yes, near walking street kids is some of kids, it's beggars kids. They can snatch you also back. They can snatch your phone. So need to more attention in near walking street. It's not all kids is good, especially in near walking street, because there's so many criminals in near walking street. John, also our regular subscriber, long time. I stay near that area, and one thing I noticed No foreigner use phones in this working area and not use camera. Yes, it's of course, it's not safety. When they snatch my phone, I maybe lost control. But I 12 years in the Philippines is first time with me like this situation for 12 years. Another comment. Sorry to hear what happened. It's same thing happened to a friend of mine near Fields Plaza Hotel. Everywhere the same. Georgi already 3 times someone want to snatch his phone 3 times, and also our friends. We know so many people who have same. Another. I never carry my ATM card and driver. It's Rodrigo. Rodrigo, also our regular subscriber. He never carry ATM card and driver license together. I know it's not good if you carry ATM card and driver license, need separate. But when they snatch my bag, I not take my many things and don't have so much money. I not take. I use only Gcash for pay and little bit money take. But driver license, of course, I need driver license because I use car. But now I will put my driver license in the car. It's more safety. But it's also I use motorcycle sometimes. I need driver license for motorcycle. That's why I put in wallet. But in this situation, I just lost control. I just lost my attention because I already filming. I already finished filming a video, and I want to put my camera to the back. That's why. In this time, when I want to put camera to the back, they right and snatch my bag. This time. Another comment. It's happening everywhere, even the US. But US is so many criminal, not everywhere. For example, in China, it's for more safety because everywhere CCTV camera, everywhere police, because it's very strict country. In Russia, I never hear the same situation in Russia. Never. It's they not practice like this. At first, because in Russia don't have motorcycle. They use only cars. It's cold country and also very strict. It's only in Asia maybe, and in Brazil like this. I know in Vietnam. In Vietnam it's always like this. They snatch also. Another comment about it's a video, short video, 5,000 entrance to the bar. Guys, this 5,000 entrance to the bar, it's maybe including bar fine. I just only make video like this because I don't know. They said 5,000. Who no understand? No matter how much you spend on them, your nickname will be Cheap Charlie. Of course, if you pay for girl 5,000, one girl, another girl not happy, and for her it's you Cheap Charlie. We are Cheap Charlie, yes, because you cannot pay to everyone, yes. I am Kana, live it in the Philippines. I never once in time. I live it there and enter at a bar and near prostitution area. I never got robbed all the time. It's okay, it's good. So you already understand. You maybe you not carry bag, no, you not. You have attention. It's good. Brian, Philly in Philippines. Sorry to hear this, Leon. This wild west of the Philippines. It's wild west because it's this area in Angeles City, Balibago, Malabanios, they have a foreigner. That's why many criminals go to this area. From province, from Manila, from nearest cities. Nearest barangays, they know, have foreigner have money in the bag, in wallet, because they cannot snatch back from the Filipina. Maybe Filipina not have so much money in the back. That's why, of course, they have foreigner, have criminal. But it's not only Angeles. Angeles is big city. So it's only they have foreigner, bars with foreigner. Because most of the people think in Angeles, it's, oh, Angeles is all prostitution, all bars. No. It's only special place in Angeles is Balibago, part of Balibago. Some of part of Balabanias and Koreatown. They have bar, they have tourists. So Angeles is Angeles. It's a city, big city. All, not all prostitution, not all bad people. So most of tourists need to know. Another comment, Geo. Sorry, but it's already, you know, you can get robbed anytime, just matter of time and place. Like I said before, you need to carry pepper spray, stun gun, pistol and ask for help. No, pepper spray carry with me or stun gun on pistol. No, I understand, yes. No, you cannot always take pepper spray. In my car have pepper spray. In my motorcycle have pepper spray. I use only pepper spray only once. It only for dogs. Nighttime, because I already have experience. Sorry, I have already experience in the Philippines, maybe 10 years ago. We ride motor and I am passenger. And we ride in Balibago. And so many dogs, and they try to bite. But and one dog jump and bite to my leg. And this time I already stay with Shaira. Her family said, oh, need to go to healer, Philippine healer. I take video before. I don't know, need to check video. Maybe have video from healer in the our place have healer. Maybe someday maybe I take video how to healer to help me before. That's why I use pepper spray. But for people, I not recommend it. Use pepper spray. Anyone in the Philippines. If you only nighttime alone and don't have any people. Because you know, before I am working police, I am officer on police before, and my study also in police academy. That's why I know it's not, even you right, if you use pepper spray in public place, you can spray to another people also, not only for criminal. Pepper spray is good, but if only nighttime, if you alone and don't have another people nearby. Another comment. Could you tell us what happened so we can look out for it? Oh, it's daytime. Yes, it's daytime. I, of course, already take video about what happened. I'm talking about maybe because we're waiting now foods in a restaurant here. So anyway, same. You can daylight, nighttime. So need more attention. Not more attention, especially in the touristic place. It's not about Angeles City. Where tourists have criminal. Another guy, Intel Land comment. I don't know what he said. TTKD. So it's Tiktan Kiragan. No, it's Tiktan Kirakan. Because maybe I'm not good correct to say. Or Oktoberfest. He think I say this Oktoberfest is for like clickbait video, and he always clickbait video, clickbait. It's he think it's Tiktan Tirakan. It's not with Oktoberfest. For Philippines, Tiktan Tirakan. It's especially for Balibago, Angeles City. It's Oktoberfest. Filipino Oktoberfest. In the Philippines don't have Oktoberfest. Oktoberfest is in Germany, in Europe, yeah, of course. But in the Philippines, this is festival, it's Oktoberfest. Oktoberfest for Philippines. That's why I not want clickbait video. It's for me not need clickbait for many views, for many subscribers. I not care really. I not care. Many subscribers, many views. YouTube for me it's not for money. But of course I want everyone who make video want if have views, yes. But video from the walking street, most of the video not monetization. All the money I give to Shaira. I already many times explained. Members for Shaira. I support her. She support her family. That's why for me YouTube it's like hobby. I not need money from YouTube because I have business, my own business already 25 years. I have my own business in China, long time. My business with cars. I have enough money for live in the Philippines without YouTube. YouTube is hobby. I like edit video. I like filming also. That's why maybe someone understand. So. This guy also have new comment. You live in area with bars, prostitution, drug addicts, and you shocked you get robbed. I not live in the area with prostitution and with bar. I live in Mabalacat city. My barangay don't have bars, don't have prostitution, don't have drug addicts. I live in the far from the walking street, far from tourist place. I already many times say to you, not to our subscribers, I not live in the near walking street. I don't like live near walking street. And I just only say to subscribers who want to live in Angeles city, better not live in near walking street. Walking street, especially Balibago places near walking street and bars is for tourists. For tourists only. For tourists who go to a short time, only for a short time stay in Angeles city. It's good. It's good place, but I not recommend it live in there. Who have, for example, who have girlfriend, who have a family. Just to rent a little bit far from the walking street. If you want to meet with friends, say me. I meet with Georgi. Georgi don't have girlfriend. He like bars. Oh, he don't like bars. Georgi don't like bars. But he go to the bar if have billiard only. He like billiard. It's his hobby. He very like billiard and professional in billiard. That's why if he live in my place, for example, how he need to motorcycle or need car for go to the walking street. But he like walk. He like exercise every day. That's why he walk and take video for you. He take video, he put camera. It's for safety also. He walk, he show to you what happened now in walking street, but it's more important for him not filming in the walking street. More important for him walk. He walk every day in different place, not only walking street. But of course, he use also camera, but we not upload this video because empty street, no one who interested. So guys, you already know what I want to say. It just only reply to comment. Thank you for watching. And also I want to say about Shaira. Why Shaira not in the video? Shaira not in the video because she work every day. Sometimes her schedule from morning to evening, she very tired. And she don't have time. She don't want only in the video because she tired. She said, oh, I'm not good looking because I'm tired. I said, you're good looking for me always. I say to Shaira. Maybe someday she will in the video. She can say hi, same like before. But now she don't want. Maybe it's temporary. Okay guys, thank you for watching. We go to pick up our foods because we just breakfast now. Now time is 9:45 in the Philippines, and we're going to Landers to buy some groceries with Georgi. Morning, because morning is good time, don't have traffic, don't have people so many. Thank you. Next time I try to explain more.